Hey guys, Andy here of ASM Property Services, and we are doing a review on the WORX circular saw, or should I say the mini circular saw. This is a hand tool. It is designed to be used by one hand, and it's very easy to use. This particular model has a 46mm cutting depth. It comes with 3 blades, one for cutting wood, one for cutting tiles and masonry, and one for cutting metals such as aluminium and soft metals. So it's a very versatile tool to use. The blades are very easy to change. It has a cutting guide, and it also has cutting depth adjustment, which is very easy to use, and it also finds angles such as 45-degree angles, so it's ideal for doing skirting boards and things of that nature. It does replace the handsaw in a lot of ways, because you can just pick the thing up, plug it in, and use it to cut your boards or any timbers that you're using on site. Now, I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I've pretty much used it every day. I've done a loft job with it, put a ladder in and some flooring. I've also done a kitchen with it, and I've also used it for stud work as well. And I found it a very easy tool to use, and I would recommend it to anybody in the trade or a DIYer. So why not check out this footage that I've put together of me opening the box and seeing what's inside the box, and you'll see what I'm talking about in this video. So check out this footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and a big thank you for everybody who does, and a big thank you for watching this channel. Check in with you guys later. So here we go with the WORX circular saw. It's a 400-watt mini circular saw here. It has a 46mm cutting depth, as you can see there. It also comes with 3 different blades. Also a 1-year trade warranty and a 3-year limited warranty. So there you go. So let's turn this around and have a look inside. Just need to cut the security tab off. So I have the 3 blades here. This is 120mm 1.2 by 9.5mm saw blade, 24 teeth. You have the saw here and a saw guide. So there we go with the WORX tool. As you've just seen, we've just opened the box there. You get 3 blades with it. This is for cutting tiles. This is what I call a diamond cutting tile bit. Got the standard 24 teeth circular saw blade here. That's for cutting wood. I also have a 60 teeth. This one's for cutting aluminium and thin metal as well. So it can cut 3 different types of material there. And has quite a deep cutting depth for a small tool like this. You can see there it's got a decent foot plate there. There's adjustable height as well. Nice easy grip as well with a big trigger on the base there, so it's nice and easy to hold with one hand.